Here is the metallurgy of lead. Let's see how the lead is created and also how the lead is reacting with other substances, its chemical and physical properties. Ore of lead. An ore is a type of rock that contains sufficient minerals with important elements, including metals, that can be economically extracted from the rock. The ores are extracted from the earth through mining. They are then refined, often via smelting process, to extract the valuable elements from it. Here is the ores of lead. The first one is galena. It's nothing but lead sulfide. Cerussite, it's lead carbonate. Anglesite, that's lead sulfate. And lead ochre, that's lead oxide. So these are the ores by nature available in earth. From there we will be extracting the lead. Extraction. Lead is mainly extracted from the sulfide ore galena. Galena contains lead sulfide and small quantities of silver. The first process is concentration. The ore is concentrated by froth flotation process. You got the ore, water with a suitable oil, and the air temperature is here. The froth flotation minerals are available here. This will be taken out by passing the air into it. So this is followed by the smelting process, which is done in a reverberatory furnace. You got a lead tap, a molten lead here. Here is the fuel, slag tap. You got a slag layer. It's a burner, charge chute and flow. This is how it will be. So the concentrated ore is roasted in a reverberatory furnace at a moderate temperature. This is smelting process. The temperature of furnace is controlled by regulating the air supply in it. So during roasting, galena is partly oxidized to lead monoxide and partly to lead sulfate. More of galena is then added. So lead sulfide with oxygen gives lead oxide and sulfur dioxide. Over here, this lead sulfide with oxygen, once again with more oxygen, it produces lead sulfate. So the temperature is raised and simultaneously the air supply is reduced. Lead sulfide reacts with the two oxidized products of lead as shown below. This is the lead sulfide with the lead oxide. It produces lead and sulfur dioxide. Over here you are able to see the lead sulfide reacts with the lead sulfate, which is created. Once again produces lead and sulfur dioxide. Thus, in this process, roasting and melting are carried out in the same furnace at very two different temperatures. 90% of lead is obtained as metal. The rest passes into slag. The lead is recovered from the slag by heating with lime and powdered coke. Here is the overall process which is happening. The powdered ore is concentrated. It's an ore rich in lead sulfate, which is roasted. It will become lead oxide, lead sulfate and lead sulfide. On smelting, you got the impure metal. From there, liquation. Liquation is done to remove the lead. And we got lead with a tin, with silver and gold. Now making out with a desilversation, your silver is gone. It's removed. In electrolytic refining, you got your pure lead metal. This is the overall process involved. Purification of lead. So purification of lead extracted by the above method contains impurities such as silver, copper, tin, bismuth, gold and iron. Now we need to refine it by the following process as liquation, desilversation and electrolytic refining.